Hi, this is Shakti. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can backup your WordPress website to Google Drive storage. This is the sample website I'm going to use for the backup demonstration. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard and also log into your Google Drive account using your Google account. Now get back to the WordPress admin dashboard. Go to the plugins tab. Click on the add new plugin and search for UpdraftPlus. This is the plugin we are going to use for the connection between the WordPress and the Google Drive for taking the backup. Click on install now and activate the plugin. After the activation, you can find the plugin on the top bar and also under the settings. Now go to the Updraft settings. Under the remote storage options, you can find the Google Drive in this list. Select the Google Drive option. Scroll down. Click on Save Changes. Now it will open up a dialog box showing to authenticate our Google account. Click on Sign in with Google option. If you have multiple Google accounts, you have to select the particular Google account you want to connect with the WordPress. And I'm going to authenticate this account with Updraft. Now I'm going to provide all permission to Updraft plugin and click on Continue. Click on the Complete Setup button. Now the Updraft is successfully connected with your Google Drive account. You can see the success message at the top. Now to take the backup, click on the Backup Now button and select the Google Drive option under the remote storage and make sure you have selected all the files and database for taking full website backup. Click on the Backup Now button. Updraft will make zip files of your plugins, themes, media files and database and upload it to your Google Drive storage automatically. I'm going to fast forward this entire backup progress. It's showing the backup has finished running. Now we can see the backup as stored in Google Drive. Under the backup date, we can see the Google Drive icon. Now go to your Google Drive account. As we can see, there is a new folder called WordPress here. Just click on it. All the backup files created by the Updraft plugin stored here. As we can able to see the plugin theme file, database file, all the files here. So this is how you can connect with your Google Drive for taking your WordPress website backups using the WordPress plugin. You can also automate this process by using the Updraft settings. You can schedule with these options and save changes. It will automatically take website backup and store to your Google Drive storage. I hope you found this video useful. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more useful information videos like this. Thanks for watching.